This is an easy at-home manicure you can do using only 4 products. First, you want to remove any old polish and then go ahead and file your nails to the desired shape. Using a buffer, gently buff your nails very lightly. Then you want to trim any cuticles that are in your way. Spritz with alcohol. You can also wash your hands at this point. I like the alcohol because it removes everything from the nail bed. Then you're going to go in with Séché Clear, which is a fast dry base coat. This is one of my favorite products to use. It's something that I've added into this routine recently here in like the last 6 months, and it really makes a difference for the longevity of the wear of the polish. Just a light coat here. Usually dries in about a minute. Then you want to go in with your first application of the Gelous base coat. This product is a little bit thicker, and the instructions are to apply it in a thick form. Just make sure to cap the free edge of every nail. That's going to be imperative, and you'll hear me say that a lot. It makes a huge difference in the longevity of the wear of the polish. You'll want to let this coat dry for 3 minutes. Then you're going to go in with your first coat of polish. Just a nice light coat here. Again, make sure you're capping the free edge. You're going to let this coat dry for 3 minutes. Then you're going to go in with your second coat of Gelous base coat. Again, apply evenly. You might get a little bit of the polish on the applicator, and that's okay. Just do another good size coat. Make sure you cap your free edge. And then you're going to let this coat dry for 3 minutes as well. I usually will use my timer on my phone just because it's easier to keep track of that way. And then you're going to go in with your second coat of polish. If you're using a more sheer polish or you need to make more than 2 coats, you would go ahead and do it after this step. So do your second coat of polish, let it dry for 3 minutes, then go right in with another coat of polish if need be. Usually I only do 2 coats of polish. Then you're going to go in with your Séché Vive, which is their newest top coat. It is a fast dry, although I would say it's not the fastest dry, but it is the best top coat that's available. Once you apply this coat, make sure you're capping your free edge. You're going to let this dry for 8 minutes. So I know that's not actually very fast, but it's the best top coat. You're going to end up doing 2 coats of this. So after you've waited your 8 minutes, go ahead and go in with your second coat of the Sèche Vive. I dry this by air. I've used a fan in the past and I've gotten some wrinkling with it, so I definitely recommend just letting it dry those 8 minutes by air. And I know it takes a little bit of extra time with this, but it is so worth it because, again, this is just one of those imperative steps that really affects how long this manicure will last for you. And then lastly, I take a little bit of acetone with this art brush and then just clean up any areas where I may have gotten polish on my skin. The last step is the Nourish oil. You can actually use any oil that you like, any cuticle oil. Just paint it on and you are good to go.